Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another Starline i96 on this really lovely VW Transporter camper van 2016. How the system works is every time you jump in the vehicle, just turn the ignition on and go through a push sequence on the steering wheel. So we selected something really basic. But what I'm going to do at the moment, I'm actually going to show you in an immobilised state. It takes about 30 seconds to immobilise from when you turn off the ignition. So I'm just waiting for it to set. I'm sure this is set now. So if I turn the ignition on, try and start it. There you go. It's cut out and won't start. See? So what we do now is ignition on, insert your push sequence, receive your melody, ignition off, ignition on and start the vehicle. There you go. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, it's got the facility that if you want to change the code because you think someone may have seen it, this is straightforward. So again, ignition on, get your disarm code, and then hit one of these buttons 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, ignition on, get your 5 bleeps, and now you're ready to learn. So this time, I'm actually going to do 3 up and 1 down. So 1, 2, 3, 1 down. Pause, wait till you get a melody. There you go, and repeat the same new code again. So 1, 2, 3, 1. Get your melody. There you go, code is now learned. So if we turn on the ignition after 30 seconds, I think now it might be too quick. There you go, it's disarmed too quickly. So if we left it about 30 seconds and then try the new code, you'll actually see that with the old code it won't start, and then we'll insert the new code. So we just wait for it to set. So now if we try the old code, no melody. So ignition off, ignition on, insert the new code, 1, 2, 3, 1. There you go, melody, and start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, on this card, on the back of the card, where my fingers are, it comes with a 4-digit PIN code that should you forget your code, then there is a procedure. That you can see on the user guide manual, really straightforward, really simple. So there is another way of getting in should you forget the code. Also, on this kit, you can actually pair it to your phone in Bluetooth mode, where you download an app called Starline Key. And all you then do is go into the app, do something very similar to push button learn procedure, whereas let the system disarm. When you get your melody, ignition back on again, hit it 7 times, get 7 chirps, and it's in search mode. So I'll do that quickly, but I don't have a phone to show, so I'll just go through it now. So ignition on, get your disarm, then hit this button 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ignition off, ignition on. There you go, we've got 7 chirps. We're now in Bluetooth search pairing mode. So you'll be able to find it on your Starline Key app on your phone. Once you find it, you just insert 6 zeros, press connect, you'll get a melody, ignition off, and then it'll be learnt. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0208 906 0478, 0208 906 0478. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.